Hi, hello guys. A wonderful day, morning, evening to all my followers, subscribers in the whole world, in the Philippines. So right now, I have with me one of my best friends from Pakistan, Mr. Zulkarnain.
Yes.
So at this time, I am going to make a testimony how is the magic of our new products in the Philippines. So this is our new business in the Philippines. Being introduced to the Philippines 7 months ago, and we are now working to promoting the wonderful functions of this eyeglass. As you can see, it is just like an ordinary eyeglass, but it has 8-in-1 functions that really helps. It can help to any eye issue or issues of an individual. You have eye grade, problem in the eyes, you have cataract, you have pterygium, or you have grade eye grade. So it helps to normalize the eyes. At the same time, it will add energy to you, booster and power. So yeah, it's magic. Okay, I will show you guys. So Zulkarnain, would you mind to like this, same like this?
Okay, so like that.
Yeah, like that. Okay, so now guys, as you can see here, Mr. Zulkarnain. So let us test the power of Mr. Zulkarnain. So we will have a strength test. So right now, Mr. Zulkarnain is not yet wearing the eyeglass that I am wearing. So this is the one that has been sent to me from the Philippines, going here in Saudi Arabia, because I have lots of customers and friends who also ordered it. So as you can see right now, Mr. Zulkarnain, excuse me, Mr. Zulkarnain. Okay, like that. Put your hand the same thing. Okay, Mr. Zulkarnain is not yet wearing the eyeglass. So we will test his strength, his power. So like this, pull like that. Pull, push like this, like this. No, like that. Hold it together, tight, tight, tight. Okay, as you can see right now, Mr. Zulkarnain, when I push Mr. Zulkarnain, because he is not yet wearing the eyeglass, let us see how Mr. Zulkarnain will happen to what will happen to Mr. Zulkarnain. See, he has no power. Let's try another one. Okay, let us try another one. Okay, see, I mean to say, I can pull Mr. Zulkarnain and he has no power. Let us try to check Mr. Zulkarnain wearing this eyeglass, and you will see the magic how Mr. Zulkarnain become more powerful. Okay? It will only affect to those people who are wearing this eyeglass. So a while ago, you see Mr. Zulkarnain, he has no power, right? I was able to pull him. Okay? Now let us try how powerful the magic of this eyeglass that we are selling not only in the Philippines but in the whole world. Okay, are you ready? Now let us see how powerful. Let us try to check the power of Mr. Zulkarnain. Okay, can I put him here? Okay, go straight there. So hold. Let us see if Mr. Zulkarnain can manage to carry my weight. Can I just stop on top of Mr. Zulkarnain? Oh my God! So this is how wonderful.
Very wonderful. Very wonderful.
What can you say about the product?
Yes, very wonderful.
What can you say? Is it magic?
It is magic.
So this is how the product is very good, not only to old like us. It fits to any individual, from child to the older one who has issue with the eyes and also with issue with the power, because this one has no grade. This has no lens. The lens has no grade, but it will adjust. It will help to correcting your eye grade. Just for example, you have 200 eye grade, it will become 20/20. It's very nice. You have pterygium, you have cataract. It will help you to heal this. You know, to correct the problem. But it takes time. That's why, even though it's really very expensive, sending this from the Philippines, my partner really brought this to me because she wants to help my eyes, and the eyes problem of my friends. What can you say about the product?
This is very nice, very wonderful.
Are you making drama? No.
Yes,
No drama, right?
Yes.
So you see the power?
yes.
So that's how magic is. How's the magic of this 8-in-1 eyeglass that we are selling in the market, not only in the Philippines but also in the world. Okay, because it contains 4,000 ions, negative ions that truly help. But this is one of the benefits, but it has a lot of formulation with this frame of this eyeglass. Once again, if this is the first time that you're watching me over here on my Facebook page and also my YouTube channel, please consider to follow, subscribe, like, and share so that many people will be able to see the wonder of this product. Once again, this is your guru, teacher, Maestro Manalo, always saying spread love, kindness, quote-unquote, positivity. Bye for now, and see you on my next live and vlog. Paalam!
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Sir Carnen, after you have worn the product, what can you say? What is the effect
It's
to
very
you?
wonderful. Very
Yeah, would you
wonderful.
mind to
This
wear
is-
it? So what can
very
you say about the
wonderful.
product?
This is very powerful and very wonderful. Is like good,
It's really very good.
very good. This
You
one.
see your power
Yes,
after?
I come to power and everything.
Yeah.
Before I am less power, but after that, is very well power.
You know, you think it's impossible? It's possible, right?
Yes, possible.
Yeah, it has magic. It's not a magic, but it will really help someone else's who is weak to become strong.
Yes.
Okay, it's not only for the eyes, it's also for the body.
For full body.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sikornen.
Okay, bye.
Say bye to my followers.
Okay, bye. All followers of Mr.
Mr. Maestro.
West.
Alright, thank you for Mr. Sikornen. Mr. Sir Carnen, after you have worn the product, what can you say? What is the
It's
effect to
very
you?
wonderful. Very
Yeah, would you
wonderful.
mind to
This
wear
is-
it? So
this
what
is
can you
very
say about the
wonderful.
product?
This is very powerful and very wonderful. Is like good,
It's really very good.
very good. This
You
one.
see your power after?
Yes, I come to power and everything.
Yeah.
Before I am less power, but after that, is very well power.
You know, you think it's impossible? It's possible, right?
Yes, possible.
Yeah, it has magic. It's not a magic, but it will really help someone else's who is weak to become strong.
Yes.
Okay, it's not only for the eyes, it's also for the body.
For full body.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sikornen.
Okay, bye.
Say bye to my followers.
Okay, bye. All followers of Mr.
Mr. Maestro.
West.
Alright, thank you for Mr. Sikornen.